Quick question. What would you do if I asked you to write code that prints numbers from 1 to 100? Would you actually type 1, 2, 3 all the way to 100? That's not programming. That's punishment. Luckily, JavaScript gives us something magical for this exact situation. Loops. They let us repeat actions without turning into a human copy-paste machine. Welcome back to Elite Tech Club, where we make coding simple and fun. Today, we are kicking off a mini-series all about loops, one of the most powerful tools in programming. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why loops exist and why you'll be using them in almost every project you ever build. What are loops? In simple words, a loop is just a way to tell the computer, hey, repeat this code again and again until I say stop. As a real-world example, think about brushing your teeth. You don't just brush one tooth and call it a day, hopefully. Unless you are a pirate with only one tooth, then one console.log is enough. You repeat the same action until all your teeth are done. Loops in programming do exactly that. Repeat a task until a condition is met. Let's quickly see how annoying life would be without loops. So here we're going to print numbers from 1 to 100. Console.log 1, console.log 2, console.log 10. This is just 10 lines. Imagine 100. No thanks. Loops to the rescue. Of course, in the upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into loops and various types of them, but for now, just compare these two. So here we tell JavaScript we want to start from 0 and then go all the way to 100 and log that number in the console. Console.log and that number. I'll save it and let's check it out. You see, in the console, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go down until we see 100. Loops allow us to write one single block of code and it just runs again and again for us. Here's the idea. We start at a number, we check if we should keep going, and we repeat until we are done. There are different kinds of loops in JavaScript: for, while, do while, and more. In this mini-series, we're going to learn each one step by step with lots of examples. So by the end, you'll be looping like a pro. In this video, we saw why loops are absolute lifesavers in programming. But we've only scratched the surface. In the next video, we are going to look at the very first loop in detail, the for loop. And once you master it, you'll wonder how you ever coded without it. So if you're ready to loop like a pro, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it.